Okay, so I'm going to create a brand new project over here, and I'm just going to name it, let me name it as post detection. Okay. All right, and I think that's pretty much it. Then I'm going to create, and what should I, let me create it in this particular window, right? All right, so that will just do everything from scratch for you to see. Okay, so here I'm just going to get rid of these ones. So we need to install libraries, right? We need to install our libraries in order to get started, right? We always install the library because we create a new virtual environment, which means that doesn't know if we have these libraries installed or not. If you're not using a virtual environment, then you can just do it once and for all. But once you're using virtual environment, then you need to always install these libraries. So let's go here and then go to preferences. And once we get here, we go to our projects, which is here, right? And then we go to Python interpreter. And here we click the plus sign to install the libraries. Okay, so we're going to first install OpenCV, right? OpenCV-Python. All right, that's the one that we used first installed, right? So once that one gets installed, then we can install the next one, which is MediaPipe. All right, so now everything is fine. So I'm going to now install MediaPipe. So I'm going to do MediaPipe. All right, then it's there. I just install it. Okay, so MediaPipe is done. So once these libraries are installed, I can just close these things. Then I'll come here, and then I'll import these libraries. Okay, so I'm going to do import. Let me zoom in for you to see. Import CV2, right? And I'm also going to import the MediaPipe, right? I'm just gonna shorten it to MP. And I'm also going to import NumPy. I will use it later on. All right, so import NumPy as NP. All right. Okay, so once this is done, now we're going to read we're going to read the videos. Okay, we're going to read. So I have a couple of videos that I want to use, right? So let me go here. I have these couple of videos that I want to use. So I'm just gonna copy them, right, and then put them in this put them in this folder, which is post detection, right? So I'm just going to right click, and then I'm going to copy them. Okay. So if you don't know where you can find that folder, you can just search for PyCharm projects. Okay. If you search for PyCharm projects, right, no space, right, they are all together like that. You should be able to see that folder, right? This folder, PyCharm projects. And then inside there, you see that we have post detection over there. That's the folder that we are using, right? So I'm going to paste it inside there, right? That's it. Once I paste it here, I should be able to see them here. Okay, now I see that they are shown here. All right, so now I can just read this video, right? So I do video capture, right? And then inside here, I can give the path, right? If you want to use your own camera to detect your own position, then you can just put 0 over here, right? Then it will take care of your camera, and then you can detect your own position instead of using these videos, right? And the videos, you can get it from Puzzles, right? As I always said. All right, you can easily go to Puzzles and then you download these videos. All right, so let's say I put 3 over here, or 3.mp4, and then I'm going to do cap. I'm going to just install everything in cap. All right. So once I do that, then I can read this thing, right? So I'm going to read it in a while loop. So while true, right? While true, then I can do cap.read, right? Cap.read like that. Okay. Then once I do that, I can get the results in this, right? So it's gonna come up with 2 things over here. Right, which is this. What we're interested in is the image that is gonna come up. Okay, and here I can do cv2.imshow, right? imshow, and inside here I can give a title, right? So let's call it post detection. Okay. All right. So now once that is done, then I need to bring in my my weight key, right? So I do this, and inside here I put 1 over there, right? So this should work for us. We should be able to read the video. Let's run it and see. Okay, so now you can see that the video is there, right? Now this is the video, right? So I mean, you can just be changing these ones to be reading all of the others, right? If I rerun, right, anyone is going to be read. Okay, so we have these ones as well, right? And let's see. So I have a couple of videos over here which I want to use for this purpose. So we have this one as well, right? We have this one where the person is dancing like that, right? So we want to see the positions of the pose of the person, right? Let me rerun and then read this one for you to see. Okay, then we have this one, a lady who is doing yoga over here, right? And I think, let me see, it's up to 9. Okay, so let me show you the rest quickly, right? So we also have this one, right? We also have this one as well, and we also have this one. We also have this one as well. Okay, and let me see the last one over here. Okay, we also have this one. All right, so these are the videos that I'm going to use for this tutorial. Okay, I can actually resize them, right? Because you can see some of them are very, very big. Okay, so let me come here, and then once I read it, I can resize it, right? So I can do CV2 dot resize, right? CV2 dot resize, and then I can resize the image. Okay, and then I can give it the size that I want, that is the height and the width. Right, so let's keep it like, say, let me see, let's say 500 cross 400. Let's say that and see, and that is going to give me back the IMG. Right, let's try that, and then we will see how it is. Right, I'm going to use let me use the third one and see. Okay, now you see how it is, right? But I think it's too small over here, right? Let's make it something like 800 cross 700 and see. Okay, this one makes sense. Let me try it with a different one and see. Okay, so depending on the image, you can even comment it out, or you can let it be there, right? So let's leave it like that.